Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are gonna learn how to create this isometric effect over here and some 3D as well as a shadow effect on this piece of art. If you're interested in this kind of tutorials and want to learn more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting a brand new tutorial every Tuesday. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Let's open the Procreate app, click on the plus sign to add a new canvas. Let's go with the screen size. I have the canvas ready over here and let's select the color black to create our effect, our isometric effect. Let's go with a Monoline brush. Okay, and let's start writing the word magic. So to get those straight lines, you can just start drawing, stop, holding, and it will create this shape over here. So I'm gonna write the word magic. And there you go, we have the word magic. Let's add some color. So under the word that we've created, I'm gonna add a new layer. I've selected orange. Let's drag and drop. Actually, I think that I'm gonna go with a lighter color. Okay. So now that we have the word ready, we are gonna duplicate this layer twice. And I'm gonna select the bottom one and I'm gonna change it to white. So I've selected the color white. Go back here, hit select and click on fill layer. Do the same process for this one. So select and then fill layer. So with the bottom layer, I'm gonna click on the selection tool and move it so I can see an outline of, so I can see the lettering underneath. Okay, and now I'm gonna click on select, go back to my middle layer and click on clear layer. So I'm gonna delete this one. And we have this black effect over here. I'm gonna select the black and move it a little bit. This. Okay, and now I'm gonna hit this one and the eraser tool, and I'm gonna erase, give that outline over here. Now that we've created this one, let's go to my black layer, duplicate it, and hit that Gaussian blur to add some effect, and then move it a little bit over here. And now we are gonna add some 3D effect. So I'm gonna go to this layer, duplicate it, and then on this one I'm gonna select the color black, hit select, hit fill layer, and then we are gonna choose motion blur. I want to go this way, so like this, and then hit select, click on a brush. Let's go with the Monoline and here to create that effect. After creating this 3D effect, let's go to this one again. Click, hold, drag. Hit select. Go to black color. Select. Fill layer. Again, motion blur. Let's do this. Move this way. Hit on that. And there you go. We've created an isometric effect over here, adding some 3D effect as well and some shadow into our word. If you like this tutorial or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon and happy drills!